Smartphones have become an extension of our body. They enable us in expanding our capabilities in this digital world. We associate with our equipments on a deep-rooted personal level and hence arrive to decisions on acquiring one. Subconsciously, we're constantly evaluating ourselves and the equipments that enable us. Welcome to a review on the OnePlus 9R, and let me tell you why I came to the decision of buying this phone over others. This year of 2021 is a crucial time when there is a constant need to upgrade and invest in creative tools and education on upgrading skills, and hence, a part of your fund will have to be spent on these education and skills. Not really a good time to invest on a high-end phone, but to have a good enough phone that will solve all the daily purpose that you need for a phone, and that is communication, network, and being accessible. OnePlus as a brand has never failed me in any aspect, and for the price that it comes, I don't think there is any other brand that has created a constant reputation on their product. I still use a OnePlus 2 as a backup phone whenever I lose my phone, my main phone. To my experience, OnePlus has always been generous in offering smooth performance and great battery life. They have never been tricky on offering the best for the money they ask for, and that speaks well about the honesty quotient. I do not say other phones and brands are any less, but this is the phone that fits well in my pocket. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, I'm only sharing my experience. I admit that I had trust issues with the OnePlus 9 Pro for the camera quality that it has been claiming, like their collaboration with Hasselblad. I have been seeing some reviews online and they do not come out to be as promising is what I understand. I may be wrong. But that is not really my concern because I have my Sony DSLR to take care of my professional quality output in my need for my videos. So coming back to the point, I bought this phone for what it delivers for the price I could pay, and it does the best in that price bracket. I actually saved the amount equal to what I would have spent buying any Pro phone, and with that money, I bought myself a DJI Mavic Mini. Again, the perfect thing for what I need as a creative professional who will use it for limited needs. The purpose of telling you what I managed to buy after saving is so you can also plan on investing the amount you saved on something more important. After all, a phone is a phone. The OnePlus 9R runs on Snapdragon 870, good enough to run all the apps and games as the screen is buttery smooth due to its 120Hz refresh rate. And gaming is super smooth as it automatically gets into the gaming mode. I can actually spec up the game to high resolution and max frame rate in Call of Duty Mobile as you see. Talking about the form factor, the size just perfectly fits in my hand grip and the curves on the corners don't hurt like how it used to in the Samsung Note lines. The black matte finish is something in trend in the electronics domain, and the OnePlus has not stayed behind with the right kind of material upgrade. My verdict on the OnePlus 9 is that this phone will definitely be a high-selling phone, especially in India, because of the value that you get in this budget. It's just perfect. And not to forget, the future-proofing of the phone being 5G enabled and the spec of Snapdragon 870 with 12GB RAM and 120Hz refresh rate, this phone is definitely a best buy. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Guys, do check out my Instagram, Creative Cheat Sheet, where I share posts and reels on many design tips and hacks on creativity, and I have shared the link in the description below.